Welcome back to Legal Affairs Network, where real courtrooms collide with real consequences. Today's case, a judge spots something very off, and one question exposes everything.
The case of New Parker Apartments versus Tubbs.
James Singh for the plaintiff. Your Honor, our decision to wait for Ms. Tubbs paid off. She's here.
State your name. Where are we on this case? And then I have a question.
I usually don't bring my This is the worst thing that happens today.
The judge realizes the defendant may still be living with a registered offender. Things get wilder. She suddenly admits she drank beer, not last night, but this morning. A breath test is ordered, and the number that comes back, enough to stop the entire courtroom cold.
I know, I never do that. I'm sorry. I never have my
The sex offender registry still shows Mr. Gardner is living there. There's I found in there somewhere where it looks like there was some check made on 8/27 of 25, so in August of this year. I don't know what it means. I'm not saying that means they confirmed it, but there's a date in August of 25 in the sex offender registry records. And I did a Lexus person search, and apparently his driver's license is at her address still. She acknowledges that it has not been changed. I've given Officer Allen a default judgment. I think it could now be after hearing, and she says she wants to try to get this done. And so if the court gives her more than the 10 days.
Yes, because we have went to the post office and changed all this mail, which last time I was here, I didn't know.
Ms. Tubbs, Ms. Tubbs, before you go on, have you been drinking?
Yes, I have a couple of beers, yes.
How much did you have?
I drink beer. Like,
Okay, so how many beers did you have?
18 ounce or 24 ounce, yes. I would
Yeah, that's the nice thing about the 24 ounce. You can say I only had 2 or 3 beers.
So you, this morning, can you get Teresa down here with the PBT, please?
I will say like 2 or 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, because that's what
2 or 3 o'clock in the morning you started drinking?
that's what time I usually get up and drink milk beer.
Okay, so how many did you have this morning?
A beer.
Just one? One, what, 24 ounce?
24. I will acknowledge that, yes.
So that's like 2, but what kind,
I
what?
don't know how much come into 24 ounce.
24 ounces. So, what kind?
But like,
Oh, of course. Bud Light. Why did I
yeah,
ask?
I drink Bud Light. I used to drink Miller High Life, but I drink Bud Light. I used to drink a lot of liquor, but Bud Light. Why would you ask me that?
Because I've got to determine whether or not you can adequately do this hearing. Mr.
Oh,
Allen,
yeah, Your Honor.
Mr. Allen, I'm going to give you a PBT.
What is that?
Okay. That's a preliminary breath test.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Okay.
So here's what's going to happen. You're going to go back with Mr. Allen, and there's going to be a PBT. You just need to blow into the machine, and then we're going to see. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Tubbs. Watch your step. Okay. Bye-bye. I know. Glad that's what came out of her mouth. All right. You know, there are times in life where I'm just afraid to call another case. Just kind of take a pause and you just hope. Are they?
They're doing what they do.
Okay.
Some people wake up in a number that would send other people to bed.
I know. You know, I was just gonna ask for breakfast, really? I don't think. Off the record? No, I'm gonna say what I gotta say. Because
Who's getting that to whom?
I'm not really sure, but I'm afraid to go back and look. Is Mr. Lloyd, is yours simple? Where did Lacy go?
Very fast. Oh,
That's what Magnus said. And then no. No, I'm kidding. Corey, go.
We heard you.
Oh, holy. Hold on a second. Miss. Okay, Miss Tubbs.
Uh-huh,
Okay.
yeah, I already know. I was drinking last night too.
Yeah.
I already know what it was gonna be, Miss, Simpson.
Uh-huh. Okay, so let me first ask you this, and then I'll try to see what we're gonna do with your case. How'd you get here?
I got dropped off by my sister.
You didn't drive.
No, I don't drive.
That's probably a good
I
thing.
don't have a license, so I don't drive. I know how to drive.
That doesn't stop everybody,
And I'm
but
getting on the bus when I.
okay, so Mr. Fink, I don't know that I could say I'm going to do this after a hearing because
When confronted, she tries to explain it was only one beer, but the BAC proves otherwise. The judge halts the hearing, gives her one last chance, and warns her next time, walk in sober, no excuses.
she is highly inebriated. She's a .224.
What does that mean?
It means you are seriously.
That's probably about 3 sheets to the wind. Never mind. You don't know what, off of one beer? No, you had more than one.
Okay, I played a drinking game too, so that was it. Oh, man, did I say that out? I'm sorry. I don't play the drinking game.
But that wasn't beer, right?
That was,
You were just talking about beer before.
yeah, I
Like,
did
not that
have
you were lying.
a beer at 3 o'clock or something in the morning, but I did play the drinking game the night before.
You
So,
told the truth. And
And
nothing
then,
but
not
the
the
truth,
truth,
but
but
not
I
some
didn't tell the
truth.
truth, whole truth. Judge Simpson, I didn't tell the whole truth, because I played the drinking game like. I played a drink game.
Your Honor, the efficient thing to do would be to come back on Friday with a regular landlord tenant docket.
yes, it
But
would.
the kind thing to do would be to maybe come back the next Friday so she could have one more shot at trying to get him to the state police and get it to.
No, but the state police is way out in, right now have
You
transportation.
don't have to go there. Willie Gardner's gotta take care of this, or you're gonna get put out. And everybody's-
Oh, he had,
Everybody's trying to save your tenants.
I'm
You
just
need to
walking
get on the team with us.
oh,
So how about
come on, Mr. Judge Simpson.
26, Your Honor?
Come on, what?
Judge Simpson, I do not need to be picked. I ain't had a permit in 15 years, and I finally got my own permit. I didn't know this was a sex offender or none of that stuff.
Okay, so
But when I come back, I'm gonna be
Just
here.
on the regular docket
On the-
26.
on the 26th. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm going to adjourn this, and it's gonna go back to basically a pre-trial for September 26th, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's in the afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Cause
so
I'm gonna drink at 3 a.m. I'm just playing. I was just playing. Judge.
Okay, I just. Ms. Tubbs, Ms. Tubbs,
I appreciate you, Judge. I really do.
Ms. Tubbs.
Since I can't be picked up on first.
I know, but Ms. Tubbs, here's, okay, I'm giving you basically 10 days to sober up. And get that,
Right today, I'm not drinking no more today. I promise, I ain't gonna drink no more till the 27th. I'm just saying, I just try to keep our purpose.
I know, so I'm not,
Two grandkids, and
Okay.
they never come to my apartment.
okay, I'm not gonna get into that. All I need,
Say 32.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 31 grandkids.
31,
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 5 boys, 5 girls. And they love coming to my apartment, just, they don't live with me, but they just like to come and play.
okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 26th at 3. Next time you walk into my courtroom, you need to be sober.
Promise. I got a Bible in my purse.
No, let's not do that. All right.
Bible in my purse. Look him up. Thank you, Judge.
Yep, you take care.
I am.
Okay,
Thank
you
you so much.
go ahead. You just be safe out there, okay?
I'm gonna get on the bus. I didn't ride. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, no, we're not. No, we're not laughing at you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. How much you want to bet it's the wrong bus?
If you want more real courtroom moments like this, stay locked in with Legal Affairs Network. Like, share, and subscribe. Justice is just getting started.